Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Priyanka Edu Advisor, and I am Priyanka Chauhan, MSc Botany Gold Medalist, having 11 years of teaching experience, and my aim of making videos is to guide and motivate millions of students in their studies. So my videos are helpful for all the school students up to class 12th, NEET aspirants, BSc Botany students and MSc Botany students, and I will clear your concepts and fundamentals of biology. Today, in this video, we will discuss BSc Botany first semester syllabus and reference books. Earlier, MSc syllabus semester 1, 2, 3 and 4, all these videos are already uploaded on my channel, and if you have not seen, go and check out those videos. If you are new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe, and please press the bell button so you get the notification when I upload new videos. So let's start the video. Let's start with the syllabus of BSc Botany. Now in the first semester, the paper 1 is Algae and Bryophyta. Paper 2nd is Fungi, Microbes and Plant Diseases. In semester 2nd, paper 1 is Pteridophyta and Paleobotany, and paper 2nd is Cell Biology and Genetics. Third semester, paper 1st is Diversity and Systematics of Gymnosperms, and paper 2nd is Diversity and Systematics of Angiosperms. Semester 4th, paper 1 is Development and Embryology of Angiosperms, and paper 2nd is Morphology, Anatomy and Plant Breeding. Semester 5, paper 1 is Plant Physiology and Biochemistry, and paper 2nd is Ecology and Phytogeography. Now first we will discuss the syllabus of first semester. Paper 1 is Algae and Bryophyta. Algae, the topics included are general characters, classification and economic importance, life cycle pattern in algae. Unit 2nd is general characters of Cyanophyceae. This unit also includes the topics of algae. General account of Cyanophyceae, economic importance, life history of nostocs and oscillatoria, general account, important features and life history of Chlorophyceae. Some members you have to study like Eulothrix, Volvox, Edogonium, Chilocheta and Chara. Third unit is general characters, important features and life history of Xanthophyceae, Vaucaria, Phaeophyceae, Ectocarpus, Sargassum, and in Rhodophyceae you will study the member Polysiphonia. Now unit 4. Now unit 1st, 2nd and 3rd. All these 3 units are of algae. Now 4th unit is Bryophyta. General characters and classification of Bryophyta, economic importance and alternation of generation. Now unit 5 is structure, reproduction, economic importance of Hepaticopsida, Rixia, Plagiocasma, Mercantia and Porella. Anthocerotopsida, Anthoceros, Bryopsida, Sphagnum, Andrea and Polytrichum. So unit 4 and unit 5, they are of topics Bryophyta. So for this paper, you will study the book. You can note down the name of the book. The book is text. The name of the book is, the writer is Singh Pandey Jain. The writer of book is Singh Pandey Jain, and the name of the book is Diversity of Microbes and Cryptogams. Diversity of Microbes and Cryptogams by Singh Pandey and Jain. In this book, you will get all the topics of this paper, algae and Bryophyta. And if you want to further study in detail, then you can take the book of Algae by B.R. Vashisht, Bryophyta by B.R. Vashisht. But according to BSc, Singh Pandey Jain book is sufficient. If you will study from that book, it will be sufficient for you. Now the paper 2nd. The paper 2nd includes fungi, microbes and plant diseases. Unit 1 is fungi, general characters, classification and economic importance, important features and life history of Masticomycotina phytophthora. Second unit, it is also of fungi, important features and life history of Oomycotina, Albugo, Ascomycotina, Saccharomyces, Penicillium, Erysiphe, Neurospora. Unit 3rd is also of fungi. It includes the topics important features and life history of Basidiomycotina, Puccinia, Ustilago and Agaricus, Deuteromycotina, Coletotrichum and Alternaria. This topic, fungi topic, also you will read from the book Diversity of Microbes and Cryptogams by Singh, Pandey and Jain. And if you want a very detailed study, then you can go for the book Fungi by B.R. Vashisht. But according to BSc level, Singh, Pandey, Jain book is sufficient for you. Now the unit 4 is viruses and bacteria. General account of viruses and mycoplasma, bacteria, structure, nutrition, reproduction and economic importance. General account of cyanobacteria. Unit 5 is plant diseases and general account of lichens. Special studies about green ear disease, white rust disease, stem rust disease of wheat, smut disease, citrus canker, tobacco mosaic disease and little leaf of brinjal. All these topics are in the book of Singh, Pandey, Jain. You will get all the topics of algae, bryophyta, fungi, viruses, bacteria and plant pathology. All these topics, all these units are given in the book of Singh, Pandey and Jain. So you can refer that book. It is a very good book of Rastogi Publications.